I interrupt your regular panning content on this channel to bring you a panning project. This is the Face Off Project Pan created by Misty from the Pantastic ladies. It runs from November 10th of this year until November 9th of next year, and essentially what it is focusing on complexion products. They can be your favorite, they can be ones that are neglected, they could be ones that are just currently in your routine. The most important thing is that all your products are complexion related. I have 5 products that I'm going to show you today, starting with one that I am hate panning, and it couldn't go like any slower. It knows that I hate it. This is the NARS Hydrating Glow Tint. This is one of the worst products I have ever used. It is so streaky, it is so patchy, and for whatever reason, it just doesn't seem to be going down at a rate that I would be happy with. Maybe I think part of it is too is when you don't like them, you try not to reach for them, but it is my only one here, so I think I'm using like the tiniest amount because I'm like, oh, the less that I use, the less streaky that it'll be, when in reality it's just a crap product and it doesn't matter how much you use. It's going to be streaky and it's going to be patchy and it's going to be awful. So I'm bringing this one in here for 74.9 grams to start, and I tried to measure it and I think we're about here. The lid on this product is super heavy, so that's why this weighs quite a lot, but yeah, here's to using this up. I cannot wait till this is gone. Second product I have is the Glow Wish by Huda Beauty. This is the Luminous Pressed Powder in the shade 01 Fair. I usually go in with this to set my hydrating glow tint and also to try and kind of correct some of the streaky and the patchiness that I get from that product. So I definitely tend to go in with quite a bit of this one. So I feel this doesn't give me enough coverage, so I just need this to kind of like cover up some of my redness, even things out, and then I go in with a lot of this afterwards to kind of try and make everything look presentable. I'm bringing this one in at 56.5 grams. I wish you could see it. There is quite a nice dip on this product. It's right about here, but I don't think you'll be able to see it. However, at least we got some good headway already on this product. And yeah, I can't wait to see how many uses we can get out of this. Next is a product that I actually really enjoy, and it was gifted to me from Cerise, so thank you Cerise for this. This is the Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in the shade PK004, which is Peach Show Wafers. So it comes with a cute little powder puff on the inside, and I weighed it without the powder puff, so we are starting at 31.9 grams. There's no dip on this one, there's no headway already kind of made on it, so we'll kind of see. There's a lot to go on this one, but like I said, at least I enjoy this product unlike the foundation one. I seem to reach for this one just because I do like it, so I've used it in every single look that I've made since coming back to start project panning again. So yeah, I can't wait to see how many uses we get out of this one. It's probably going to be a lot because it's a blusher, but at least they're going to be enjoyable uses. Last complexion product I have, I know I said I broke the rules, but this is my Becca, technically it used to be the Vanilla Quartz highlighter, but I repressed the powder from the Mermaid collection, and now this is the Mermaid Quartz, I think it's called, or Mermaid Pearl. Is the Mermaid Pearl eyeshadow repressed into the Vanilla Quartz compact. So it's got a kind of like an icy kind of tone to it, and then it's got this blue reflect, which I'm really hoping you're able to see, but I really enjoy this product. Like I said, like the whole reason that I kept it and repressed it is because this was one of my favorite shades. So we're starting this one at 23.3 grams, and yeah, it's kind of a little bit crumbly, it's a little bit messy, but I still think we can get some pretty good uses out of this one. And the last product I have, bringing it in at 63.2 grams, is my brush cleaner. And I think it's important to remember to clean your brushes, especially your complexion products, because you can move bacteria around your face. Sorry to be the gross one to bring that up, but it is true. So we definitely need to show our brushes some love. And I've been kind of reaching more for, what is it called? My Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. I've been reaching for that a little bit more instead of working on this, so my goal is to try and focus on this, use this up, and then for future I'll be buying things more like the Cinema Secrets, because that's what I tend to enjoy when it comes to cleaning my brushes, so we need to use this up first. So those are all my products that I'm bringing into the Face Off Project Pan. If you want to join, I have left the link down below that'll bring you to the Facebook group. You don't need to be a part of Facebook to do it, it's just that's kind of where we all kind of meet and kind of chat and whatnot. If you want to join the group, that would also be great. So Yeah, I'll leave that all linked down for you below. And are you going to be doing this project pan? Are you doing something similar? If not, what is your favorite complexion product? I'd be interested to know. It can be something specific, like a certain foundation, or you can just be, like in my case, I enjoy blushers so and highlighters. I like glowy things. Anyways, that's my update that I have for you this time around. Thank you for letting me interrupt my regular panning projects for this, because it's always fun to do projects with people. So I think it's gonna go great. It's gonna be a fun year, and I hope we get a lot of good use out of it. And I'm gonna stop rambling. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!